To set doorbell ringing sound notification as silent in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, then add settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select hearing enhancements, and then select sound notifications. Tap settings, and then tap sound notification are active if you turn on sound notification, and if turn off, tap sound notification are paused. And then you must turn on list transcript and sound notifications first. If off, tap sound notifications switch until blue to turn on, and then select doorbell ringing. Select silent. No, doorbell ringing sound notification set as silent. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.